Now let me show you how empty are the streets today. Well, as you can see, there is no one at gate number 13. It's completely empty now.
हम कोहली के लिए आए थे, अब कोहली नहीं खेल पाया, इसलिए क्राउड भी आज बहुत कम हो गया।
You can see it's completely vacant. There are not much people. Hello guys, you are watching Cricket Next. I am Akash Biswas at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi. And the news is, well, unlike the past 2 days, there is no rush on Saturday, which is the third day of the ongoing Delhi versus Railways fixture in the seventh round of the Ranji Trophy. Well, it's pretty obvious, after Virat Kohli was dismissed by Himanshu Sangwan on the second day of the fixture, the fans started to evacuate the stadium. They lost interest in the game, and you know what's more interesting is most of them did not know which players are playing in the Delhi playing 11 or the Railways players. They didn't know their names, but they only recognized Virat Kohli. And now on Saturday, when Kohli won't be out to bat, and while the lower order of the Delhi playing 11 is holding the fort for their team, so I think people have lost interest in this game so far. But I think they will return on Sunday, the last day of this fixture, when Virat Kohli returns to bat once again in the second innings. Well, we went to the gate number 16 and 17 of the Arun Jaitley Stadium, and surprisingly they were closed, as we saw yesterday and the day before. The footfall was so much that DDCA had to open 6-7 gates to let the spectators enter the stadium and have witnessed the game. But today, on day 3, there is no rush. The footfall has decreased. I think people have, obvious reasons. The star attraction of this game was Virat Kohli, and when he is not there in the middle, I don't think people would be coming, even if it's a weekend or it's a holiday. So it's a Saturday, and as you can see, confined to just one gate, which is the gate number 10. We spoke to some of the police officials. They said that due to low rush and low crowd, just one gate has been opened for the public, which is gate number 10 of the DDCA. Whoever is coming to watch the game are entering from the gate number 10, while the rest of the gates have been closed for the day. Now let me show you how empty are the streets today. So here we can see that gate number 15 is open today, and so is gate number 14, the next one, the gate next to gate number 15, and I think the gate number 13 has also been opened. So in total, as we can see, there are 3-4 gates open here. Unlike the past 2 days, as I said, the rush is so less today. People are not here. They just wanted to see Virat Kohli, but on Saturday, they are not here because they know that Virat Kohli won't be coming out to bat on the day 3 of the game. And now there is a disclaimer from the DDCA for the people who are coming to watch this game. Well, it says that बिना पहचान पत्र के किसी भी व्यक्ति को प्रवेश नहीं दिया जाएगा, तथा किसी भी प्रकार का कोई भी सामान जैसे कि बैग, टिफिन, चाकू, ब्लेड, बीड़ी, सिगरेट, माचिस, खिलौना, फोन की लीड, सिक्के, खाने पीने का सामान आदि का प्रवेश वर्जित है. So here it's clearly written that nothing from the outside is allowed inside. People have to come empty pocket. They can carry their phones, but not any kind of bags or chargers or eatables are allowed inside the stadium. And as we see here, people are still queuing up to watch the action on day 3 of the Delhi versus Railways fixture. तो last 2 days में आप लोगों ने कितना लगभग बैग इकट्ठा किया होगा?
मतलब समथिंग 60-50।
अच्छा, और एक बार वो फिर से बताना, जो आप लोग सो रहे थे वो वाला वाकया क्या हुआ था?
जी, हम सो रहे थे, जैसे फिर क्राउड आया, एकदम से कोहली कोहली चिल्लाने लग गया, तो हम उठ के आए कि कोहली आ गया। फिर हम भी मैच देखने गए थे उस टाइम, तो फिर कल देखा था तो कोहली ने इतना अच्छा मतलब वो नहीं करा था। हम कोहली के लिए आए थे, अब कोहली नहीं खेल पाया, इसलिए क्राउड भी आज बहुत कम हो गया।
So guys, it is what it is. The football has decreased, and just these much people have arrived so far to watch the Delhi versus Railways fixture. They are making their entry through the gate number 15. As I said, only a few gates have been opened today because the crowd size has fallen drastically. People who arrived to watch Virat Kohli bat returned disappointed on Friday, and now that he won't be batting on Saturday on day 3, people know that, and they are not here in numbers. Well, as you can see, there is no one at gate number 13. It's completely empty now. The guards are there awaiting the spectators, but some of them are making their way into the stadium through gate number 14. Well, the interesting thing is the street that was completely jam packed on Friday and Thursday is, as you can see, is completely vacant. There are not much people for this game, but they still believe that Virat Kohli might return to bat on Sunday. It's a weekend, and we can expect more crowd on the fourth day of this fixture. So it's clearly visible that how Virat Kohli's presence has turned this Delhi versus Railways match into an extravaganza, and the moment he got out, people just lost interest in this game. Well, but they are still hoping that Virat Kohli will return to bat again on Sunday, and we also hope that those mad and crazy cricket fans return to these streets and they make into this Arun Jaitley Stadium in numbers. And we'll keep on bringing all the updates to you from this game. But till then, stay tuned with Cricket Next.